Yo, what's up, guys? I'm actually gonna do something different today. I'm gonna trade live for you guys all day, pretty much, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. All right. So right here, I'm in a position for Ripple. Right here, right. I'm just trying to check out what's going on right here. Hopefully, someone's gonna close my position, and I'm gonna track all my profits today for you guys because I want you guys to see what kind of money that I'm making as well. Okay. So here, I'm gonna. I don't know about this one here. I don't know if it's going to go down or not, right? So I'm super concerned about it a little bit. I'm literally like right there. Someone's just got to dump about 30K more. 30K more. Is someone going to go down right there? I really don't know. Okay, this is a hard one right here. Okay, this is super hard to figure out. Okay, yeah, my limit order closed there. So boom, we're already up about $33 today so far. Already so far. Okay, I actually canceled my limit order. It's partially filled there. There's just a lot of lag right now. Okay. This is a lot of lag, and it's actually not filling the way I want it to. So, yeah, okay. So I took a little bit of profit, I guess. But, let's see if we can actually do something here. 179 up there. $150 up, $50 up. Come on, boom. Right there, guys. We were just up $62 actually altogether, okay? 62 bucks. Check that out. Right here, I'm going to pull up my Excel sheet to get you guys in the know. Give me a sec. So I'm going to track all my profits for you guys today. That was actually an $80 trade. I just calculated. I don't want to show you guys my balance off of, obviously, right? So we're going to just, make a little note here. We're just going to make a little note here of our profits throughout the day. So first trade, okay? And you guys are going to see all of my trades today, and I'm going to hammer at them for you guys and show you guys what is up. It only showed 50 there because it was near the end. But yeah, it ended up being like an $80 trade, which was pretty awesome there. So I'll be back when there's another trade. See ya. Alright, so I have 3 monitors. You guys see the 1080p one right here. It's a 24-inch, and I show this one because the 4K one's just too much to record. It takes a really long time to upload. I tried, and it's not fun uploading 4K with my internet. My internet only uploads at 1.5 megabits per second, so it's pretty, or megabytes per second rather, so it's still pretty slow. So my other monitors, I keep those ones on a 15-minute chart, actually my big one, and on my other monitor, I keep mine on a 5-minute chart, okay? And this one that you guys see is a 3-minute chart. And I use 3-minute charts as trigger charts. And that's important to understand the concept of a trigger chart. What a trigger chart is a chart that I look for, that I will correlate it with my 1-minute and the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart to see when are some good signals. So what I do is I hunt for volatility in the market. It has to be high volume. These ones all fit my criteria of high volume of over, basically, over 16 million. IOTA is the smallest one, okay? IOTA is the smallest one. I mainly will be focusing on Litecoin and Ripple today. So what do I do, guys? I look for volatility, right? I look for volatility and in oversold and overbought zones. So for example, if I saw this one spike right here, I'd be very interested in it, right? I'd probably take a position from 204 to maybe 207 there, and I'd probably play like a $10,000 position, right? I'd probably get myself 50 or so Litecoin there, and I'd probably play like get like $150 profit or so. So I basically just sit here and I just wait and I look at all my monitors, right? And I also use alerts on Bitfinex as well there for the price. So what I also do is this right here. It's really important that you guys listen to this, okay, and take my advice on it. Get a line, okay? Get a line and draw it on the high at every single one. That's important, okay? So this high was 115.05 or 115 whatever. Yeah, right around there, okay? So you'll make note of that price right there. You'll do it on every single one, all right? Literally, every single one, you will go there and you will do it, guys, no matter what, okay? On the high of where it previously was. You guys following me? Let me show you guys. On this one right here, you want to go to the high of where the breakout roughly is, okay, of the resistance. Now, you guys know where the resistances are. Okay, that's the high that you want to break. Where's the high for this one over here? No high. This one's actually got a low instead. So you make note of the high and the low. So this one's about right there. We're done with Ethereum Classic, by the way. My group of friends and I are done manipulating it. Completely done. It took a lot of energy last night of mine, so I'm not going to do that anymore. You guys will see me incorporate a lot of strategy back in March, okay? That's when I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of things that people should not probably be showing because they're kind of hidden secrets of the trade. And who the heck would want to share information where they're making money, right? Why would you want to share information with people if other people are going to find out about it and they could make money? You don't want that in the stock market. So next month, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys so much stuff. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm gonna get like death threats or something from a lot of companies soon because I shouldn't be sharing a lot of the stuff that I'm sharing. You guys know that, right? Like, Do you guys know what I mean? These are like trades of the secrets, or like there's trade secrets, a lot of the information I'm sharing that people charge a lot for. That's why a lot of the hate comes towards me, because all of these people that are charging for material and content online, guess what? I'm offering it for free. That's why they're kind of mad about it. So anyways, I drew my pattern there like that right there, okay? This pretty much hit my exact buy zone around the 202, 207 for Litecoin as well. I'm very interested in this. I made over G yesterday on this guy alone. This is pretty awesome. Okay, let's go to my trend line right here. Right, this is now breaking into some sort of apex. So what I want to do is I want to make note of this. This is an ascending triangle, all right? Yeah, this is an ascending triangle, guys. Absolutely, it is right here. It's going to go to the 208 region, right? And then eventually it's going to break out of here, in my personal opinion, and go for something like a new high. It's going to be pretty good. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. But I don't know if it's going to break up or down. It's not my concern right now, right? What I am more concerned about is identifying the key patterns. So I got a lot of opportunities and tricks up my sleeves. And the more the more tricks you have up your sleeves, the more you can expect something to happen, right? So I'm not interested in it right now because it might just keep bouncing and bouncing over here. So I will be interested in it very soon. And I spend a lot of my time just drawing out these patterns. Bitcoin, I know that guy like the back of my hand. I don't even need to chart it. Yeah, okay, this one's not a lot of volume. IOTA kind of sucks. It really sucks, actually. Not even interested really in trading IOTA right now. So let's see if this guy's going to bounce, right? Let's see if this guy's going to bounce right here on the Ripple. That's a pretty big winner today so far. Parabolically moving up, but we want to see if it's actually going to hold its pattern or not. Let's see if it's going to hold. That's going to be interesting if it does, right? Do you guys see what I'm talking about right here? Let's take a look to see if that's actually going to do anything. Let's see if it's leveling off anywhere. It leveled off right around here. 5-minute chart leveled off. Definitely going to bounce up there. 15-minute chart still going. Okay, 15-minute chart still going. I'm going to take a chance here, I guess. I just bought myself 8,000 Ripple. All right. Okay, I bought myself 8,000 Ripple. There's so much freaking lag right now. Like, it's unbelievable how much lag there is. Okay, so here's the 8,000 Ripple that I just bought right here. Yeah, I market executed it too, which I don't like to do at all in any way. Don't mind the sound in the background. I'm not home right now. I'm at the folks for supper tonight. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to hold or not, to be quite honest, okay? Yeah, that's pretty good. I have the same setup with my folks, just so you guys know. It's I got my own office here as well because I stay here quite often, maybe half of the week lately, because I live alone, so I don't really like to stay alone too much sometimes. So there we go. We're ticking upwards right here. Okay, easy trade. Check that out. Okay, we're probably going to end up making an ascending triangle. I'll put it right there, like the 133 range or so. Let's just see what I can do. 133, right? Get myself a quick $80 right here. Am I going to actually be able to nail this target? Let's see. Let's see if this is going to be an ascending triangle and it actually breaks outward. Okay, guys? If it breaks outwards, we're going to make ourselves a lot of money today. Let's see. A 1-minute chart has literally bounced off of there. It's probably going to trigger down to over here a little bit. I see this as A, B, and C already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a very small time frame right here. Okay. It's upticking a tiny bit, but not really too much right now. Boom! It just got slammed with a $30,000 market order right there. Okay, so we're now upticking already. I'm actually positive already. Even keep in mind, I'm in $8,000 $8,000 Ripple. I only have a $10,000 margin account. Okay, guys, that's all that I'm leaving and allowing myself to play. I have very strict discipline. Super strict discipline, and I refuse to play more than that or put in more money than that because that is all that I need. I stick to a very specific risk to reward ratios of mine, right? Super specific. Now here, for example, even though I market execute, that's fine. My market fee is really low, so I think it's like 0.012 or something like that. Or sorry, 0.108 even for my market execution, because I'm over. I don't want to show you guys it. Let's just go to it here very quickly. So here's my Bitfinex fees. I'm actually over $15 million now this month. I'm a little bit shy under 20 for my volume, so my market taker fee is about 0.16, and my maker fee is you know, about 0%. So yeah. Okay, so what we see here with Ripple on a very high time frame is this, okay? Like, we got to make note of this always. On a high time frame, we see it starting to become a double top actually, right? No, not only a double top, but it's an ascending triangle as well. We can see it like that, right? So this is parabolically moving up, and that's definitely a double top right there going on. So with it being a double top, I have a feeling that we're eventually going to break it, right? We might even trend down to like the 103, 104 ranges for a few days, but I genuinely do believe that we are going to break it eventually. If not today, then maybe in a few days. So I noticed that we're also trending here like this, right? Lots of support actually. Lots and lots of support right here on the 21 moving average. We're just hammering at this support line right here, okay? And people are actually buying, which is amazing. Okay, so people are buying, and I think that they're going to try to push it. So we have an ascending triangle for the whole thing, and then we have an ascending triangle as well for this whole structure, where this was the line right there going through it. That's why we're getting a little bit of resistance there right now, right? But I do believe that people are going to push it up right now, and we're probably going to end up getting something all the way up to the 14 ranges right over here, okay? So I'm just going to put my mouse around the 135 range right here, okay? And then we're going to see how this ascends upwards to it. If we can break above the 155 or the 55 EMA, I think we're going to be very good position right here. Notice that this supporting trend line right here, okay, this supporting trend line is holding on pretty good right now. But now some guy is deciding to sell, I think. Okay, it's not, sometimes it looks like a red candle, but it's not a red, it means nothing, right? It's just a spread difference, right? It's just a spread difference, and yeah, that can make a big difference night and day. So right now, we're not really closing anything. We're not really opening it. We're not really doing anything right now, right? Some people are selling, I'm sure of it. There you go. Some people are selling right there. I kind of want to get out of this position, guys. I don't like it at all. So I'm just going to put mine at 3 right here, okay? Just hope that someone spikes up the market. But I'm ready. Like, even though I put mine right there, I'm always ready to play a bounce, right? I might even just go right up there. Some guy decides to dump it right here. He clearly wants to break out of this trend line right now. Yeah, he clearly wants to break out of it, which is cool. Let's just keep looking at this though. Let's just keep looking at the level 2 order book and see who's spiking up the price to what right now. See, Bitfinex is lagging. See that? It lags. Sometimes it lags for like 20 seconds. Yours is like that too, I'm sure of it, okay? Now I see the price going up right now, so I adjust my market, I adjust my limit order here. I move it up a little bit, right? So now it's at 1.25 here, and I just keep doing this, and depending on what I feel that the market is doing. I've got my stop loss probably set around the $1.10 range, right? So I'm going to be taking like $100 loss maybe. It's still a good risk to reward to me though. I mean, if I took a look at my risk to reward right here for a long position, where I entered it like over here, for example, okay? Entered over here, I'm targeting basically a double top range for a 1% gain on 10,000. It's pretty good to me, right? And my stop loss is there, so my risk to reward is still 1.66, which is actually phenomenal to me. Okay, so there we go. It's upticking pretty hard now, as you guys can see there. So we're bouncing off of the support clearly, right? Bouncing off of the support clearly, which is awesome. Lots of people are buying. This guy market executed a lot. You look on here and you tell by the time, right? The guys at the 55 seconds are obviously all bought together, right? The guys at the 08 right here is together. It's one guy. 03, one guy. 57, one guy. So you get an idea of how many big players are actually in the game as well, okay? There we go. Now the price is spiking up right there, okay? I'm just going to go for a really quick gain right here. Right there, right here. Okay, someone's going to spike up the price. I'm pretty confident of it. Not really the best RR to me right now, but that's okay. Let's see if anyone executes it. Okay, boom. We're already up a little bit there. Okay, let's see if anyone else is going to market execute. Okay, someone's buying there. 3K, 3K. There's only 23K there, 23K there. It's not that much. I want to cut in. I want to cut in right here. At 08 right here, I'd be the next guy for when a spike does happen, because I do have a decent amount, right? It's not exactly that small of an amount. This guy's got 12K, someone just bought him down, 8K right there. He's got 8K, boom. I'm going to be the next guy coming up here right now. There we go. Oh, he decided to slam some more on there. Oh, that was clever of him. He's got some hidden walls up there right now. He doesn't want the market to see at the $13 range what he's doing. So that means that I'm going to undercut him at 2. It seems very small, but that's what I'm going to do right now. So if someone buys next, I would be the next guy in line. Okay, that's clearly not going to happen right now. It's clearly not happening right now, so I'm just going to put mine at 2.9. 296 right there. Okay, I want to be the next guy that buys. I missed my chance already, which kind of sucks right there. So I want someone to just spike up the price right now. Hopefully someone will close my position right here, right? As soon as if someone does, we'll see big spikes of green coming up, big spikes. Nope. Ooh, okay, that's not good at all. What we want, all right? It's not good at all. I missed my chance to sell it. I could have actually sold it around the 131 range, but I decided not to because I got greedy. And now the big question is, will this actually downtick or will it uptick? And will we find support here? On the 5-minute chart, it's probably looking like it's going to downtick, to be quite honest. But we'll have to see in just a few seconds, okay? There was a guy with a hidden wall that decided to drive down the price. As soon as people bought it, okay, as soon as someone bought it, what ended up happening was he put in more right away. So in a way, he was putting in a wall that people could see. It wasn't hidden though. And because it wasn't hidden, he let the public know right away. And that signaled to players like myself that, hey, this guy's a serious guy right now. And he's gonna end up slamming a lot more down. So he made it very visibly known that he was going to do that. And I think the market reacted, right? The players like myself would have reacted. They probably closed some of their positions there very quickly. Now someone's just flashing orders in and out right here. No one really wants to buy. So right here, we closed above the 55 EMA, right? We closed above the 55 EMA, and we're setting up right now actually for a very nice uptrend, okay? That way, okay? So now the price is being spiked up now, right? We bounced off here. Let's see what kind of things we can do right now. We're definitely looking decent and decent shape right now. Okay, this guy's got a big wall here though at 1298. People are slowly buying. Let's see if they're gonna spike it higher than here. So I moved mine up to the 132 ranges. I do see people buying. The wall is loosening up. You have to look at this right here, the 52. Okay, now there's 54K, 55K, 57K, right? Let's look at the next big wall, 10K, 10K, 10K. Is someone gonna buy up there, right? Is someone gonna buy? Are they gonna spike up the price? This guy wants to spike up the price right there, okay? People are slowly buying, as you guys can see. Gonna move up my order on the go right here. Gonna keep moving up my order, right? I got 80 right there, so if I finish and close my position, this guy spiked it up at 18,000 right here. Someone spiked it up with a big order to let everybody see. I see big green candles. 55 EMA is actually moving up here. People are noticing it as well. I'm actually going to move my position slightly up right there to the 135 range, okay? Right here, I know it's going to get spiked up just based on how everything is. Look, I'm getting executed right here. Wicked right now. I'm already up about $70–$80. There's not that many people ahead of me. I want to undercut him right here at 48. And boom. We just made ourselves $150 in the past 2 trades together in about 15–20 minutes, guys. Enjoy the video. See you guys in a bit when there's